For me, being a surgeon is like being in my skin. It's the only thing I've ever wanted to do with my life. I was born in Sri Lanka and grew up in Sri Lanka, and I had a very sort of sporting background. But I always knew I was going to be a surgeon.
Early on, I decided I wanted to do a surgical specialty because I enjoyed the sort of physical challenges that surgery brings about. Anatomy is one of my favourite subjects in medical school, and so surgery gives you obviously that hands-on opportunity. You are able to impact on a patient's management in a very quick manner. The results of surgery are seen almost immediately.
One of the things that's special in training up here is that a high percentage of cases will be emergency cases and trauma. It's a very important part of this thing we call general surgery, which is in many ways foundational surgery for all the other specialties.
You can do urology, you can do general surgery and colorectal surgery, and within your general surgery they do breast and endocrine surgery and upper GI, so there's a few different things you can experience and learn here. The bosses are all quite keen to get their registrars and PHOs upskilled so that they can do the operating and develop their skills as surgeons.
There's a lot of one-on-one time with your supervisors, with your consultants, so they can certainly guide you in the right direction a lot more readily than can be done in a bigger hospital.
You don't have the same competition for exposure to different operations and different conditions. It's easier to get the exposure that you want and the experience you want.
The Da Vinci machine in urology is very unique. It allows us access to a very hard part of the body to access. A lot of our work in cancer is related to prostate cancer, and doing operations on the prostate is challenging just because of where it sits. It's a very small organ that sits basically entirely behind the pelvic bone. So the advantage of a Da Vinci is that you're able to have several arms in the pelvis without compromising the integrity of the pelvic bone. We know in all aspects of surgery that patients have quicker recoveries when they have robotic procedures compared to a traditional open procedure.
We have physical beauty all around us. We have the sea, the mountains, we have the reef, of course, and the rainforest is not far away. And all these things, of course, make living here quite special.
The opportunity to work in North Queensland is, I think, very unique, and having the combination of being in a sort of small unit plus having access to these new technologies, that's an experience that stands you in good stead.
There are days where it's hard and you go, why am I doing this? But it's a specialty where you can make a huge impact on patients' lives, get them back on their feet, get them back to work, and you can do it just in a few hours in an operating room, and that's a pretty cool feeling.